Conflagration. Noun. Big fire. Synonyms: blaze, inferno. Antonyms: extinguishment, calm. Confound. Verb. Confuse. Synonyms: bewilder, perplex. Antonyms: clarify, explain. Congeal. Verb. To solidify. Synonyms: coagulate, thicken. Antonyms: melt, liquefy. Congenital. Adjective. Present from birth. Synonyms: innate, hereditary. Antonyms: acquired, developed. Connoisseur. Noun. Person with refined taste. Synonyms: expert, specialist. Antonyms: amateur, novice. Consecrate. Verb. Dedicate. Synonyms: sanctify, devote. Antonyms: desecrate, profane. Consensus. Noun. General agreement. Synonyms: accord, unity. Antonyms: disagreement, discord. Conspicuous. Adjective. Easily seen, prominent. Synonyms: noticeable, obvious. Antonyms: hidden, inconspicuous. Consummate. Adjective. Complete, supremely good. Synonyms: perfect, accomplished. Antonyms: incomplete, poor. Contemporary. Adjective. Living/happening at same time. Synonyms: modern, current. Antonyms: old-fashioned, past. Contrite. Adjective. Sorry. Synonyms: remorseful, repentant. Antonyms: unrepentant, shameless. Contrition. Noun. Sorrow, repentance. Synonyms: regret, penitence. Antonyms: indifference, defiance. Contumacious. Adjective. Stubborn. Synonyms: rebellious, obstinate. Antonyms: obedient, compliant. Contusion. Noun. A bruise. Synonyms: injury, wound. Antonyms: healing, recovery. Conundrum. Noun. Puzzle. Synonyms: riddle, mystery. Antonyms: solution, answer. Conventional. Adjective. Usual, common. Synonyms: traditional, standard. Antonyms: unusual, innovative. Corpulent. Adjective. Fat. Synonyms: obese, bulky. Antonyms: slim, thin. Corrugated. Adjective. Highly folded. Synonyms: rich, grooved. Antonyms: smooth, flat. Counterfeit. Adjective. Fake, false. Synonyms: forged, bogus. Antonyms: genuine, authentic. Covered. Adjective. Hidden, undercover. Synonyms: secret, concealed. Antonyms: open, overt. Cower. Verb. Recoil in fear. Synonyms: shrink, cringe. Antonyms: face, confront. Credible. Adjective. Believable. Synonyms: trustworthy, reliable. Antonyms: unbelievable, doubtful. Creditable. Adjective. Praiseworthy. Synonyms: commendable, admirable. Antonyms: blameworthy, shameful. Credulous. Adjective. Gullible. Synonyms: naive, trusting. Antonyms: skeptical, suspicious. Crepuscular. Adjective. Active at dawn/dusk. Synonyms, twilight active. Antonyms, diurnal, nocturnal. Cringe. Verb. Recoil, flinch. Synonyms, cower, shrink. Antonyms, confront, resist. Cryptic. Adjective. Puzzling, enigmatic. Synonyms, mysterious, obscure. Antonyms, clear, obvious. Curtail. Verb. Cut short. Synonyms, reduce, shorten. Antonyms, extend, prolong. Cynical. Adjective. Selfish motives. Synonyms, distrustful, skeptical. Antonyms, trusting, idealistic. Debility. Noun. Weakness, incapacity. Synonyms, frailty, feebleness. Antonyms, strength, vigor. Debunking. Verb/noun. Exposing false claims. Synonyms, revealing, discrediting. Antonyms, concealing, supporting. Decorum. Noun. Decent behavior. Synonyms, propriety, etiquette. Antonyms, rudeness, impropriety. Decoy. Noun. Lure, trick. Synonyms, bait, trap. Antonyms, protector, safeguard. Deference. Noun. Respect. Synonyms, regard, honor. Antonyms, disrespect, contempt. Defoliate. Verb. Cause leaves to fall. Synonyms, strip, shed. Antonyms, grow, flourish. Defunct. Adjective. No longer existing. Synonyms, extinct, obsolete. Antonyms, existing, active. Degradation. Noun. Poverty, debasement. Synonyms, decline, humiliation. Antonyms, honor, improvement. Deleterious. Adjective. Harmful. Synonyms, injurious, damaging. Antonyms, beneficial, harmless. Deliberate. Verb. Think deeply. Synonyms, reflect, ponder. Antonyms, ignore, neglect. Delineation. Noun. Explanation, outlining. Synonyms, description, portrayal. Antonyms, confusion, distortion. Demur. Verb. Hesitate, refuse. Synonyms, object, protest. Antonyms, accept, agree. Denounce. Verb. Condemn, speak against. Synonyms, criticize, censure. Antonyms, praise, commend. Deplete. Verb. Use up, lessen. Synonyms, exhaust, drain. Antonyms, replenish, restore. Deplore. Verb. Regret. Synonyms, lament, mourn. Antonyms, celebrate, rejoice. Depravity. Noun. Moral corruption. Synonyms, wickedness, immorality. Antonyms, virtue, morality. Deprecate. Verb. Criticize, denounce. Synonyms, disapprove, condemn. Antonyms, praise, approve. Deride. Verb. Ridicule, mock. Synonyms, ridicule, taunt. Antonyms, admire, respect. Disinterested. Adjective. Unbiased. Synonyms, impartial, neutral. Antonyms, biased, partial. Disparage. Verb. Criticize, belittle. Synonyms, undervalue, scorn. Antonyms, praise, commend. Disparity. Noun. Inequality. Synonyms, imbalance, difference. Antonyms, equality, similarity.